Hello, and thank you for your recent order of the GloPRO Microneedling Regeneration Tool. I'm going to be talking to you today about some of the do's and don'ts and what I learnt during my experience of using the GloPRO. So when you first receive your device, it comes with the batteries already in it, so you can get going straight away if you want to. You can see you can just turn it straight on, or if you did want to use it via the mains, you can just get it plugged in. Do make sure that your skin is perfectly prepped before your treatment with the GloPRO. So personally, I would use the balance cleanser as it balances the pH and it retains the skin's moisture, and also the prep pads are perfect for sterilising the skin as well. So you do this one first, then this one. Do make sure that you use the GloPRO at night time. This gives the skin time to calm down, and also it's when our bodies do most of the recovery. Do make sure that when you're treating with the GloPRO, you do it in lots of different directions, so it's almost like cross-hashing when you're doing the treatment. This means that you open up lots of microchannels into the skin and it boosts the production of collagen elastin. Do make sure that you give quite an even coverage when you're doing your treatment as well, so I tend to go under the panel of my chin as well and a little bit down the neck just to make sure that I get everywhere. You can go quite close to the eye as well, but we do recommend using it with the eye attachment because it's designed better to kind of navigate around the eye area because it is so delicate. Don't apply too much pressure when you're treating with the GloPRO. You literally just have the weight of the device in contact with the skin and just roll forwards and backwards, and then you do different directions whilst you're treating. Don't use the GloPRO device on active breakouts as it can irritate them, but it is perfect for treating acne scarring. Don't use anything too potent after treatment, such as acids or retinols, benzoyl peroxide, things like that, as it can irritate the skin. Because you absorb the product so much better when you're using GloPRO, they can tend to have an adverse effect because you're absorbing too much of what's normally recommended. Don't forget to sanitize after use. You will need to just purchase some surgical spirit to sanitize your needles after use. Personally, I just spritz on both sides and then leave it open in the case for a couple of minutes and then pop the lid back on. Finally, don't forget to take some before and after pictures so that you can track your progress. I wish you the best of luck with your results, but if you do have any questions at all in the meantime, just email me at sales@currentbody.com and I'll be happy to help.